Hi Sammy fam, today we are making a teriyaki tuna melt. So we gotta start with our tuna, make our basic tuna salad. Well, not basic, there's a special ingredient. Got 2 cans of tuna right here. I like green onions, some people might like red chopped up. But I think for this the green onion's just right. I'm gonna put a dash of mustard in here. A little bit of rice vinegar, not too much. Just think it adds a nice slightness to the flavor. And we got our mayo, I'm using Kewpie mayo. Give that a little stir and we'll see if we need to add more. Oh, that's good. Might be a little mayo-y, but just wait. I'm gonna add one more ingredient that'll fill some of that up. This is momi nori roasted shredded seaweed teriyaki flavor. And this will also give us great flavor and a lot of fiber. Something I need right now. So I haven't had a major bowel movement in a couple days. And I think we might as well add all the rest of it too. Yeah. Make this real teriyaki. Now notice I'm not adding any salty components to this right now. There's another salty ingredient that's going to go on this sandwich where we will get all the sodium we need for a good taste. And there you have it. Let me just take a taste here. Oh yeah, it's delicious. That's going to make a great sandwich. Now it's time to assemble. For putting the sandwich together, we have this beautiful long hoagie roll that I'm going to be using. And our first layer here is just cabbage that I've been soaking in soy sauce to provide that nice salty umami-ness. Making sure I'm putting it on the bottom. And a little bit of a crunch. This is very messy to do with your hands. I should have done it with a slotted spoon. But that's okay. We have fun here at Sammy Boy. We can make a mess. Beautiful. Well, not so beautiful. It's kind of brown, icky looking cabbage because it's been soaking in soy sauce. But it's good. Now, onto our next most important ingredient, our teriyaki tuna salad here. I probably made too much of for this sandwich, but that's okay. I can always have another. Or just eat it on its own. It's so tasty. Put that down. Look how beautiful that is. The little bits of green from the teriyaki seaweed in there. Oh, and the onion. Different shades of green. You got light green, you got dark green. It's like a beautiful patchwork, a painting. I love it. You know, I'm just gonna stick my finger in here because Daddy wants to taste. Oh yeah, that's so good. Save the rest of you for later. And since we're making the tuna melt, we gotta add the melt part. And for that I'm using a sharp New York cheddar cheese I've shredded. Make sure I get this spread out evenly. Mash it down a bit. And now I'm going to take this, I'm just going to throw this as it is on an oven rack under a broiler, and it's going to toast up this side nicely a little bit and melt this cheese perfectly. I'll be right back with the finished product. Hi Sammy fan, ain't this just looking like a treat? Ooh. That You hear that crusty bread on the top and this nice melty cheese. Delicious. Now this is the perfect size. You could share it with a friend or a loved one, or if you're like me, and you might be, you can have it all to yourself. But I'll still cut it in half to make it manageable. Now look at the cross section. Ain't that a thing of beauty? From the side too. Oh, she's good from all angles. Front, back, side to side. But she's best in my mouth. Oh yeah. And yeah, she might be full of mayo. That little burpee I had to suppress. But she might be full of mayo. But that's okay. Because she got that lightweight tuna, just a little bit of cheese, and tons of that delicious seaweed in there with that teriyaki flavoring on it. Oh. And we can't forget about the onion. The onion is our good friend. And this crispy bread. Daddy likey. And I forgot to mention, and it plays such an important part, the saltiness that you get from the soy sauce infused cabbage is so good. And just a little bit of crunch. I really like it. Wow, guys, that was so good. That's way better than normal tuna salad. And I'm excited about all the fiber I just ate, not just the taste. I feel pretty healthy about it. I know that at least by tomorrow I'm going to poop a lot. Now, I would encourage you all to try this yourselves. I know some of you might have difficulty in certain parts of America specifically finding the ingredient of seaweed, but even at a Walmart, you can check the offensively generic and broadly named aisle of Asian food and see if they have any seaweed, or it might be called nori there. Better yet, if you have, a Korean specialty store or a Japanese store, they would definitely have it, or any other kind of only Asian centric store. Oh, just eating that sandwich so fast got me a little gassy. I'm gonna go let that gas out freely, sit down and rest for a while before keeps coming before I go out and do another round of exercise so I can eat some more. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you.